Oh, can you tell us a little bit about your character, Tyler?
Well, he is a genius with numbers, and he accidentally got kidnapped by two assassins. And it was kind of an accident, and they became friends.
And what was it like working with Emmanuel and Emily?
They are very good friends, very good actors, and I hope I see them in another film.
And I love your hair. What shampoo do you use?
I'm not sure.
Just whatever's in the bathtub?
I used a whole bunch of it this morning, so.
We're asking everyone on the red carpet today, what does the fox say?
I don't know.
Any sound effects?
Rar? I don't
All
know what the fox says.
For more celebrity interviews, log on to popstoptv.com. Pop culture for the next generation.